Hey guys, welcome to a new video. So in today's video, I will show you the way I use aloe vera to grow her hair full, thick and healthy. By the way, this is my niece. Trust me when I say her hair has not been this good, was not like this before. Though you could tell she has a good hair, but not this good. So everything about her hair changed when we became more intentional about her hair. I started making research on what works on natural hair and what doesn't work. Okay, so I stumbled on videos on aloe vera and I was really convinced of the results I saw on YouTube. And so I decided to give it a try. Okay, so we started using aloe vera to detangle our hair each time we want to wash our hair. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you the way we use aloe vera to grow this hair that you're seeing like this. But before then, let's dive right into making this aloe vera juice. So once I cut my aloe vera from the plant, I wash it clean, remove the sharp thorns by the sides, and then I cut it open, use my knife to go in, cutting cutting bit by bit, vertically and horizontally to melt the aloe vera. And then the juice will just start pouring out. So that's all I do. And this method is so easy. Even though you don't have a blender, you can easily just do this. To be honest, you really don't need to do too much to grow a healthy natural hair. Just maintain what works and be consistent with the routine. Like we started using aloe vera to detangle our hair each time we want to wash our hair, and then we notice that there is always a great difference. Like we keep seeing the hair getting better, thicker, longer, and healthier. And because this is something that works, we didn't have to start changing routines. We just became more consistent with it. And the result is always a very beautiful, strong, healthy, clean scalp with no irritations. Remember, aloe vera helps with, dandruff, if you have itchy scalp or whatever. It helps to treat everything about scalp, and the hair keeps getting longer by the day. So I just spray in some water, to get the hair to be a little bit damp. And then I follow up with the aloe vera juice. And I use my fingers to make sure that I get the juice to every part of the hair, the hair strands, the tip, basically everywhere. As I'm doing that, I'm also using my fingers to first detangle. Then after detangling my hands, my fingers, I then go in with the white tooth comb. Then after combing out the hair with the white tooth comb, I then use my brush to finish up. See, trust me when I say that aloe vera does wonders to our hair. Okay, because of how good and the result we keep getting from aloe vera, we had to source it out, bought a couple of them, planted them, and kind of spread it. And now we have as many as many of it growing around. So it's always easier for us to reach out to it and use it anytime we want to use it. So I would say just be consistent. Okay, don't just use aloe vera once and say, oh, it's not working for me. It's actually working. Okay, just be consistent, use it over and over, and then you begin to see the changes that your hair will begin to experience. If you have watched this video to this point, please like, share, and leave a comment for me in the comment section. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And if you are new to my channel, thank you for clicking and watching this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Come on, join the family so we could grow together. To my returning subscribers, for always coming back to watch my video, you are the real MVP. I don't take your love, your support for granted. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. Until next time, please continue to watch and enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.